Sa side trip na to, pupuntahan natin ang Mount Calugong Cultural Village. Mismo, ang original Tamaraw FX. Samahan nyo kami at bilangin kung gaano karaming Tamaraw FX dito sa La Trinidad, Benguet. One way at matarik ang daan paakyat ng Mount Calugong Cultural Village, kaya nararapat lang magbigayan sa kapwa motorista.
Dahan-dahan. Yes bro, diba? Actually naka-on ako eh. Hindi yung kapihan, yung kape? Ha?
Basic siguro sa yung pataas.
Oh, basic. City driving eh. City driving.
So we're both actors at the same time. The cameraman, also director, producer, everything. Yeah.
And
so we're going to
Bollywood.
no, it's Calugong. Mount Calugong. This area is a private area. Okay, approaching. Malayo pala talaga. Beautiful Baguio. Oh, nice. Hungry? Ayan o. There. May mga refreshments so rice meals. Oh, pwede pa pala mag-overnight dito eh.
We're actually a mountain.
Ha?
We're actually in a mountain. On a mountain. Actually in a mountain. On a mountain.
Yeah. Mountain na mountain talaga. So, I've been in the army for 16 years. And, you know, reminiscing the past.
Buhay mundok, bro.
Yeah.
Buhay mundok, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Very accommodating yung mga tao dito.
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Oh, it's an old house. Sabi ko sa iyo eh, we can film it eh. We can film it. Whew.
At dito na rin namin napili magtanghalian, baksilog at sisig. Makikita mo naman, very generous talaga ang bacon. Calugong ay salitang Ilocano na ang ibig sabihin ay sombrero. So bakit nga ba Mount Calugong? Ito ay dahil nagmukhang sombrero yung mga rock formations na nakapatong sa bundok. So ano nga bang magagawa dito sa Mount Calugong? Pwede ka magkape, mag-picnic, actually may cafe dito. Pwede ka rin mag-explore ng nature trails. So ang Mount Calugong Cultural Village is about 30 minutes away from Baguio. So dito makikita mo yung buong La Trinidad Valley and ang Baguio City as well. So after ng konting pahinga at kain, ito na, papunta na kami sa Sagada at Banawe. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung ride namin puntang Sagada at Banawe, here's the link below.